My name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So this question actually came into me via email, and the person asked, what can you do if you want to use event photos and there wasn't a notice posted at the event? Okay, so let me give you some context. I've told people many times, if you want to take the photos from your events and use it for marketing purposes, like on your websites, brochures, social media, whatever, that's fine. The best way to do that is to have a notice posted at the door, at check-in, around the area, that puts people on notice that by being at the event, they are agreeing to be videotaped, photographed, and used for marketing purposes without additional consent. If you even go to things like theme parks and like your state fair, you may see those notices around. Well, okay, I notice it because I'm a lawyer. You're probably normal people that don't, but they're there. So if it's a situation where you realize after the fact you should have had a notice posted so you could use the photos, because if you use them without consent of the people in it, you could be illegally publicizing their image, and they could come after you. So what do you do? Well, I would be very careful, and I would look at the photos and see if it's of people who are with the organization or people that you know that you can contact after the fact and say, this is a really beautiful photo. Would it be okay if we used it? And you can get consent after the fact. If it's a situation where it's not the person's face, but like a crowd picture, and you can't really discern any individual's identity, that might be okay, because you're not really publicizing their image, you're publicizing the whole group. So a person would have a hard time saying, hey, you're making money off my picture, even though it's, smaller than a dot. So that may be one way to do it. I would also look at your employees' employment contracts, because some of those already include a marketing clause that says that you can be photographed at any company event and have those photos used. So yeah, those are a couple of thoughts. And then, of course, there's always the risk that you could just say, we're just going to use it and hope no one gets mad at us, and we'll clean up the mess if it happens. Not a tactic I encourage, but it is one that is technically available to you. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If you ever have a question that you want me to field in a video, feel free to leave it below or send me an email. That information's below too. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment on these videos. I like it when people tell me that my questions have been helpful, or my information has been helpful. So yeah. I hope you're all having a great day, and with that, I will catch up with you later. Take care.